Here it comes. It's raining a bit heavily today. It's about the size of a cutting board. Big xiao or small xiao depends on the dish size. Right, but that's the business. How often can you get the best fish every day? It's very unlikely. Loose and tender meat. 这就蟹. Ready for business. It's sexy to work hard to make money. It is another hard work day. The fish is indeed a bit big today. Time to open, brothers. 2 tablespoons of oil. Today, I will teach you how to make this sizzling fish. Is this plate even? Need to pour oil to find out. Be sure the plate is flat. This flour must be wrapped properly and evenly. The oil temperature should not be too high. Prepare a chopstick and a clamp. I wait 2 minutes for this fish to defrost. Observe the dish for a while. Then the fish doesn't break. You got that? Look, it's coming. Here is how to flip. A chopstick is put back here. This clam is on the stomach. Then flip it. This kind of fish will not go bad. It is the same method here. This heat must be controlled. If there is less and less oil, add more slowly. Pay attention. You must add lots of oil. Because if you use less oil, the meat may be mushy or burnt. Don't be stingy to put oil. Let me give you another great tip for cooking. The opening of this fish, you must be able to see the bone. See what I mean? I've opened it up now. Because if you don't open the fish up, the juice will get stuck in the fish. Like the belly here, he is sealed tightly. The juice won't get out. So these are all small details to care. Brother, hope you all understand now. So the golden yellow fish is finally made. You have to pour this juice on both sides. It's done. The heat is under control. It's golden brown when fried. Did you see that? There is no burnt sign here. Not on this side either. The feeling of crispy skin and tenderness inside. The fish is too big. The juice is all exposed. The second one is done. Perfect. Both fish are cooked perfectly. Time to clean up the battlefield. The fish is a bit big these 2 days. Beautiful. Come on, fans. Eat first. Come on, guys. 2 more fish ready. Sorry, kid. Can't you eat chili? It's time to eat. Come on. Come on. Second fish. Here comes another one. Wait for 15 minutes. Third fish. 2 more fish. Brothers. That's 5. Wow. Pack 1 and take it away. Wow, it smells good. It smells good, right? Wow, it smells so spicy too. It smells good. Yeah. High satisfaction. And happy kids. Just take 2. This one and that one are good. 2 more customers. It exploding? 7 fishes now. Pan on the furnace. Here comes another one. Making money makes me happy. 12:43 a.m. already. You guys, the last 2 fishes and I am off work. The fish too big can't fit anymore. That's it for today. Golden yellow. Crispy outside and tender inside. Is this one packed and taken away? Brothers, 3 more. A lot of people came out today. Look, the fish is too big. Oh no, this fish is falling all out now. Let me take care of these 2 fish. Here we go, 2 more. 5 packs to go and 2 to eat inside. Brothers, take away 5 pieces. Takeaway has been delivered. See you bye. Brothers, the takeaway has been delivered. Go back to cooking the fishes now. Off work soon. Last one to go. I can take away and eat myself. Perfect.